This is my table, and if you didn't already notice, it's a mess. I tried organizing it, and it looked great for exactly 3 days. That's when I realized this isn't the way. So I opened AutoCAD and got to work. Started with a basic box, then added gaps for my pen, kept the print pretty straightforward. Slightly thinner layers so it prints faster. The wait was about 1 hour and 40 minutes. And just like that, my desk finally makes sense. All that's left now is to label everything.